Ultrasonic machining is a manufacturing process that involves the use of high-frequency vibrations to remove material from a workpiece. This process is commonly used in the manufacturing industry to create intricate shapes and patterns in hard materials such as ceramics, glass, and metals. The ultrasonic vibrations are generated by a tool that is pressed against the workpiece, causing tiny chips of material to be removed. This process is highly precise and can be used to create complex shapes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional machining methods. One of the key benefits of ultrasonic machining is its ability to work with hard and brittle materials without causing damage or deformation. This makes it an ideal process for creating parts and components that require high levels of precision and accuracy. Additionally, ultrasonic machining is a non-thermal process, which means that it does not generate heat or cause thermal damage to the workpiece. This makes it an ideal process for creating parts and components that require high levels of precision and accuracy. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a wide range of industries. The company has extensive experience in the use of ultrasonic machining and has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality parts and components that meet the most demanding specifications. Berkness Company's team of skilled engineers and technicians are experts in the use of ultrasonic machining and can work with customers to develop custom solutions that meet their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about ultrasonic machining and how it can be used to create custom parts and components for your business, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and can work with you to develop a custom solution that meets your specific needs. Contact us today to learn more about how ultrasonic machining can help you achieve your manufacturing goals. FAQs. 1. What is ultrasonic machining and how does it work in manufacturing? Ultrasonic machining is a non-traditional machining process that uses high-frequency vibrations of a tool to remove material from a workpiece. The tool is typically made of a hard material such as tungsten carbide and is pressed against the workpiece with a constant force while being vibrated at a frequency of 20 kHz or higher. The vibrations cause the tool to repeatedly impact the workpiece, creating tiny chips that are removed from the surface. This process is used to machine hard and brittle materials such as ceramics, glass, and composites. 2. What are the advantages of ultrasonic machining over traditional machining methods? Ultrasonic machining offers several advantages over traditional machining methods. Firstly, it can be used to machine hard and brittle materials that are difficult to machine using conventional methods. Secondly, it produces a high-quality surface finish with minimal damage to the workpiece. Thirdly, it can be used to machine complex shapes and features with high precision. Finally, it is a relatively low-cost process that requires minimal setup time and can be easily automated. 3. What are the limitations of ultrasonic machining? Despite its advantages, ultrasonic machining has some limitations. Firstly, it is a slow process compared to traditional machining methods, which can limit its use in high-volume production. Secondly, it is not suitable for machining soft materials such as metals and plastics. Thirdly, the tool wear rate is high, which can increase the cost of the process. Finally, the process requires a high level of skill and expertise to set up and operate effectively. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.